and welcome to this video where we're going to open this package of mystery Lego minifigures. What I mean is, I bought a load of minifigures for 10 quid. I'm going to see what they are. It's a mystery bag. See if I can open this. Okay. Well, we can see something in there. Definitely Lego minifigures in there. Let's have a look. So I just sort of unravelled the tape. It was all taped all the way around. And then we can start looking at what we've got. What you managed to find for 10 quid. It's quite amazing, really. Let's have a look. Whoa. There is loads. Some of them haven't got arms. Let's have a look at the pack. Oh, what's this? Interesting. Let's put it all in a Ziploc bag. Let's pour them out and have a look at them one by one. So it's all poured out, and let's start having a look at what we've got. First, we have this, some sort of a stand. Is that a Lego Dimensions stand or something? Not sure. Looks cool. Don't know what it is though. Here we have a mum. I think she's the mum in like in a set, I believe, with a caravan and stuff. I think it's part of a camping set. I think I remember seeing her before. Anyway, she's good. She's going to look good in the city. What is this guy? That is a bit strange. Got a bit of a weird hat. Looks good actually, using that one brick as hair. It's kind of like a mohawk sort of. Don't know who that is. It's good though. It looks quite cool. It's kind of spacey sort of looking. This guy, glasses. I'm feeling that in the right head for him, but anyway. This is quite a mishmash of minifigures. There's another one. I like the jacket on this one. It's quite cool. What I'll probably do is start searching them, see who they are. Maybe some of these are a bit mixed up and then you put them back together. There's another chap. He looks quite cool. Quite mean. Like a military type vest. Makes me think of maybe Marvel, maybe. You know, those blokes. Well, he looks like a farmer. He's definitely a farmer. He's cool. I like that one. A bit lumberjacky. Yep, there's this guy. He's got cool hair and a checkered shirt. I like him. He's going to look good. There's something a bit different. She looks a bit medical. I think she's works in a hospital or something. Interesting. I haven't got anything like that yet. Oh, look at this guy. He's a fan of space by the look of his t-shirt. Nice floppy hairdo. Oh, what's this? This is like a firewoman. She needs some hair or a hat. Maybe this blue hat. This random hat. So we got it on. Will it look better? She looks cool now. All you have to do is put your hands sideways and you look cool. And then there's this one. She is... what is she doing? What kind of costume is that? Not sure. I like it though. She's got no hair either. Maybe we need to go and buy some hair. Go with the minifigures. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, I like him. He's got a little name badge. Looks like he's a miner of sorts. I like him, he's cool. There's another one. Oh, doctor. She looks like a doctor, doesn't she? Very intelligent looking. I like it. I'll put her with the other one, just in case. Oh, this guy as well. He looks like a doctor. What's going on with his hair? Let's sort that out. Groovy hairdo, doc. So that's another doctor. And go over there. This guy looks like Clark Kent. Kent, is that you? Oh, I like it. He does look like Clark Kent, doesn't he? Imagine him bumbling around in a is it Daily Planet? Yeah, Daily Planet, I think. God, I haven't watched that film in a while. I used to watch Superman quite a lot. Hey, look at this guy. Beard, hair. Looks a bit like Ned Flanders, even though he's not. Because obviously there is a Lego version of Ned Flanders. It does remind me of him. It kind of could be a writer. Let's put him over here. They look like a good couple. There's another one, a builder, with the helmet as well. Liking that. Or is he a miner? Not sure. I like it though. Looks good. I'll put him with this other guy here. Now, who the devil is he? Cool glasses. He's got his legs on backwards. Drosden. Probably should sort that out unless he is extreme. Maybe his head should be the other way around. Oh no, his arms are that way. The legs are on backwards. Need to change it. Hey up, another one of these. Another work person with ear defenders. Nice one. Go with him. There's going to be a lot of work to do. And there's a baby. Hello, little baby. I do like these little baby Lego figures. They're so cool. They're so funny. There's this guy. He's got some dynamite. So what is he doing? He hasn't got a helmet on. He looks a bit more like gonna chop a tree down, but I'm not sure why he's got some dynamite. That's a cool figure. Oh yes. Oh hello. I need someone to do the pizzas actually. I've got a pizza takeaway and I haven't got the minifigure to go with it. But this guy, he could do that, or he could be looks like a pizza chef, doesn't he? Or in one of the restaurants that I create. He's going to be great. Oh, there's another guy with glasses. He looks like another type, workman type actually. He looks like he's a woodcutter. He's going to cut some wood. And then we've got this guy. He looks like a mechanic. Just because he's got a spanner in his hand. Oh, let's change his hair a bit. There we go. That's better. Sort of. Move it again. Ugh. But yep, he's a mechanic for sure. He's got to be, hasn't he? He's wearing. What is he wearing? That's a Christmas jumper. What are you doing with a Christmas jumper on and a spanner in your hand? I don't think that spanner belongs to you. You look like a Christmas guy. Well, I'm not sure why people with Christmas jumpers can't fix cars. I suppose they can. Looks a little military. She does definitely look like a military police. Yeah. I worked it out by turning it over and seeing that. I knew it was a police person, honest. So I'm going to give her this green hat, even though it doesn't look like it goes. It doesn't, but there we go. Hello, officer. Another one. Da, 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 da. He looks like he's a climber, doesn't he? He's mountaineering. No, he's got his hat on backwards. He means business. He's definitely got mountaineering look about him. And there's another one of them. So he looks a bit mean. He doesn't look like a mountaineer. What's that? Has he got bullets? Yeah, he looks like trouble. The one-armed guy. Don't know who he is. Looks a bit like a workman. I might put him with the workman. He's got a similar sort of look. Look at this guy. Got like a some sort of pack on him. Maybe it's body armor or something. I'm liking it. He looks cool. Is he part of the special forces or something? I'm not sure. I like it. I have to look him up. Handcuffs. A bomb on the back of her top. Is she an ex-con? Like the hair. Looks cool. She looks like trouble. She's going to be dangerous in the city. Da 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 da. Nice jacket. The hands don't match though with the face unless he's wearing pinky gloves. I'm not sure about that. But I like him. He looks good. She looks cool. She's going to be a cool girl. She looks like she's good at gaming, probably good at drawing. She looks very arty and cool. Probably has a motorbike or something. I like the way they've done the hoodie. That's really nice. That's a really good figure. I wonder if that's from the Lego movie. I've not actually watched that yet. Dun dun dun. This guy looks a bit like he's from Jurassic Park, maybe. I think he is. He's got that look about him, hasn't he? I'm not 100% sure though, but I think he is. I'll have to look him up as well. Well, there's no guessing who this one is. This is Gandalf the Grey. You shall not pass. I'm definitely going to enjoy putting him into the city somewhere. Maybe he'll just be shopping. And last but not least, Batman. A Batman minifigure dressed in a cool grey suit with 2 bat wings to throw at people. I like him. He looks ace. What an amazing haul of figures for 10 quid. And then this. I don't know what it is, but I like it. But yeah, that's the whole haul of minifigures for £10 from Vinted. What an absolute bargain that was. I can populate an area quite quickly, and some really cool ones like Batman and Gandalf and this guy. And this one, I like her as well with her orange bit hair and these doctors. There's so many good ones in there. Builders, lumberjack looking people, weird hairdo, robot-y sort of looking spacey. the mum and pop characters. I like him. He looks great, the chef. There's a few favourites, and the baby. The baby's good. Gotta have young minifigures, haven't you? Otherwise, look as good. I like this one. This is cool. It makes me wonder why she's got like the straps on the legs, because he has as well. I've noticed. So they're like must be going. Yeah, could they have a helicopter or something? I don't know. It's interesting though. I like them. Yeah, they're all pretty cool. Let's be honest. They're all pretty ace. So thanks so much for watching this one, and hopefully I'll see you at another episode. Bye for now.